2013 F-150. Door check is broken. You hear that popping noise in there? Now we're talking about this arm right here. This, you might think it's called the door stop, but you'll usually find it listed as door check. And here is the part number. This is actually a pretty easy item you can repair on your own and save some money. So there's the part number, door check. Anyway, about 30 bucks for this. Pretty simple. Two 13mm nuts there and one 10mm on this side. All right, let's get to wrenching. Okay, so there's an access panel here, but you're not going to be able to reach back behind there. If you want to pop this one off, it's pretty easy. That might give you a little more light in there, but you're going to have to get up under the dash. And depending on your model, you may have another rubber boot you got to pull off just to get to this sucker. Okay, up under here, you see that little rubber cover. We're going to have to pop that out so we can gain access. Alright, so just grab it from the top here. I know it's kind of hard to see. Okay. Alright. I'm just reaching up under the dash through that hole. Come on, get out of there. Definitely be easier if you're not trying to hold a camera. There it is. And you can see this sucker is definitely damaged, broken. Really a cheap part to do that. Now we do have a lot of high winds here that probably have caught the door a few times, but plastic, come on, Ford. Alright, and I recommend a little drop of blue Loctite on each. That's all it takes right there. We'll do the same to the bolt. Alright, again, make sure you have it oriented right. We want the FL on top, front left, and work it back through that access panel. And you see it flipped over on me, so make sure you flip it back. Front left up top is what we want. Alright. Really could have done maybe a better tip to put your thread locker in after you get it fed through. Alright, got the two nuts on hand tight. Reinstall the 10mm bolt. Again, a little blue Loctite on there. You know, give them a little check every now and again, make sure they haven't loosened off, and that's it. Oh, so much better. So much better. Even holds the door open properly like it's supposed to. Because I am on an incline right here. Nice. Alright, just got to button it up. I'm going to reinstall that little rubber cover and put this plate back on. Boom.